Good morning guys! Today is Thursday at nagbe-breakfast ang magmamay. Anong kinakain mo anak?
French toast.
Wow! She having French toast. Grandpa, what you have?
Swedish pancakes.
Oh, pancake. Oh,
Excellent.
pancake.
French toast.
Niluluto pa si Bang pancake, French toast, at ang akin ay iniintay ko pa din ang cheese bagel. Yan. Favorite ko yan, cheese bagel. Ang tawag namin dito nung kami maliliit pa ay marhuya. Nilalagyan nila ng maple syrup. Nilalagyan ng maple syrup para lalong masarap. Yan. Yan. Yan lang. Ready to eat. Yan. Kompleto na ang aming agahan. Cheese bagel, marhuya, at naka-French toast si Scarlett Colette. Okay, let's eat na!
1, 2.
Yan, kumain daw siya ng French toast, kaya kailangan niya daw magbawas ng taba.
7, 8, 9, 10. It's happening. My muscles are getting stronger.
Wow! Pagkatapos magagahan, mag-exercise, ngayon naman ay nagpa-piano si Scarlett. Practice lang ng kanyang piano. Habang may construction sa taas. Ang construction never ending. Okay now?
Yep. Bye guys.
Yeah, watching TV naman si Scarlett. That is going to work. Okay, bye Scarlett. Okay, bye.
Bye, Peter. Have a good day.
Okay, bye. Bye Scarlett. Give me. Okay. Lock the door.